and there's the aperture. So the aperture in your lens determines how much light is coming into your lens. So the smaller the aperture, the less light coming in. The larger the aperture, the more light going in. And if we look at the bottom here, where we see f4.0, this is the largest aperture that this lens offers. And it's quite confusing because the larger the number, the smaller the aperture, and the smaller the number, the larger the aperture. So you've got to kind of think about it a bit backwards. So what this does, if we use the dial on our hand grip, and if we alter this, as we can see, as the number goes up, the darker the image gets. This is because as this number gets larger, the aperture is closing. So it's letting less light in and making the image darker. So we open that back up as far as it will go, and then we're okay again. So the smaller the number, the larger the aperture, the larger the number, the smaller the aperture. So we'll go more into how we can use the aperture creatively in the class, but that's just a brief overview of how those three functions work together.